Hi everybody, my name is Riem, this is my beautiful model KMS, and today we are going to create super nice and super juicy twist-ins using the new KMS Twisting Style Balm. This product contains 95% of natural ingredients. For example, it contains shea butter and also castor oil. Both ingredients are known to seal moisture in the hair but also give the hair moisture, which is very important when you work with highly textured hair, as it is from the natural state very dry. So let's start! As you can see, KMS got some beautiful and juicy twist-ins. The Twisting Style Balm is a hybrid product, which means it is a start and a style product. Curly and coily hair needs to be very well maintained before applying an actual product. Therefore, it is very great that we have with the new CURLUP Twisting Style Balm a hybrid product. What can happen when you put it on damaged or dry hair? Well, the hair can look very dry and the curls cannot last throughout the day. So it is always very important to make sure that the hair is treated well. So I washed the hair with the Tameless shampoo and applied the conditioner. After a processing time of 3 minutes, I washed it out very well. On the very wet hair, I applied the new Twisting Style Balm to lock in as much moisture as possible. As a last layer, I used the MOISTREPAIR Hydrating Oil, as it contains 99% of natural ingredients and helps the hair to be even more nourished. I hope you had fun. Please don't forget to watch all the other videos on our KMS Pro channel. Thanks for watching.